Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I've got a great summertime cocktail or mocktail for you to have while you're out by the grill or out by the pool, or anytime is a good time for a really good drink to me, as far as I'm concerned. So we're going to start with a couple of cups of blood orange juice, combined with a little lemon juice, some sugar, and a sprig of rosemary. It smells so good. But I'm going to add that in just a couple of minutes after I've got this heated and going. So we're going to put it on the stovetop in a small saucepan, and over about medium heat, just going to whisk in that sugar to melt it. And it's such a beautiful color. A blood orange is, if you don't know, just a gorgeous citrus fruit. And it tastes so good. So we're going to heat this for a few minutes, really just to melt the sugar and sort of bring everything together. So a couple of minutes on the stovetop, and then we're going to strain it. We'll pour it through a strainer and let it completely cool, and we'll finish it off by adding, you could add some white wine to it, but we're going to use club soda. So club soda and ice, and it'll make for a great, refreshing drink that doesn't have any alcohol in it. So you can serve this to your non-drinking friends or to your kids. Super refreshing. So we'll cook this on the stovetop for a few minutes, and then we'll come right back. Looks good already. Our blood orange, sugar, rosemary, lemon juice combination has boiled, and it sat and simmered for about 7 minutes, and it really smells and looks fantastic. Now we're just going to strain it through a little strainer and collect all of our solids and let that cool completely. And when it does, then we'll add in our club soda, and we'll have a great little refreshing mocktail.
Right. I'm having Prosecco.
Okay. Teresa's having wine. It's basically a spritzer. Everybody knows what a wine spritzer is. This is going to be a really nice spritzer.
A really good one.
Yep. Very, very good. Okay, so we'll be back in a few minutes. We are back. My simple syrup that we made is cooled. I've got a nice frosty mug, little ice, and some club soda. So let's check out our mocktail. It's an interesting word that I never use, and I've used it about a half a dozen times just today. I don't think I've ever used it. Not something I normally say. So a little ice in my frosty mug. It's cooled, but it's still a little bit warm. So remember, this is a simple syrup, so I'm not going to overdo it. That should be nice and sweet. So top it off with the club soda. I can always come back and add some more syrup if I want to, but I have a feeling it's going to pack a punch. Wow. That looks and sounds very refreshing already. I got my mug, even got my name on it. How about that? Oh, and the rosemary too. That is nice. Man, I could drink a lot of that. So it's blood orange juice, sugar, rosemary, and a little bit of lemon juice. And the lemon juice in there just gives it a nice citrusy blast. It's really refreshing. That'd be great out by the pool, or if you're out cutting the grass, doing some yard work, whatever. Bring that to your husband or wife that's out there gardening or doing some work, and that'll take you a long way. So, or you could add a little wine to it, and you got a nice wine spritzer. But that is very, very good. So enjoy your summer, and I'll see you here.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.